Originally named the Comel Hotel by owner Emily EGGELING, the Prince Solms Inn is the oldest operating inn in the state of Texas. Originally built by Christian Herring in 1898, the base is set on 36-inch footings of brick and stone, 3 feet thick in the cellar, 18 inches thick on the first and second floors. It features a pulley system to swing baggage to the second floor and an innovative cooling system with the open skylight. At one time, it was used by farmers to negotiate with buyers, while doctors and dentists rented the rooms to treat local patients. The bricks were handmade on the banks of the Guadalupe River and brought to its site by horse-drawn wagons. The lumber in the inn is cypress, cut and milled from giant trees lining the Guadalupe River. Ceilings soared to a height of 14 feet on the first floor and 13 feet on the second floor. The beautiful entry doors are 10 feet high and contain exquisitely detailed etched glass and came from a hotel in Galveston that was destroyed by the hurricane in 1900. And a long-forgotten Comel County jail provided the stone for the patio floor. Around 1900, a young woman came to the hotel to celebrate her wedding day. Dressed in a gown of white, draped in layers of lace, she awaited her beloved to arrive. She waited and waited, but he did not show. Suspecting something devastating had happened to him, she went into denial. She refused to leave the hotel, adamant about waiting for her love to arrive so they could be married. The young girl took a job at the hotel to earn her room and board and later became the innkeeper. Some 30 years later, the woman, no longer young, passed away, with her beloved never arriving. So it comes as no surprise, a ghostly young woman dressed in a white wedding gown first appeared in 1935 on the stairs in the Prince Solms Inn. This will be the first of many spectral sightings. There's even a story of a ghostly man seen arriving at the hotel to meet the young bride before they vanish into thin air. Perhaps her beloved groom finally arrived after all.